Most people have never heard of the H-shaped Barndominium. And that is exactly why it is the most interesting floor plan nobody is talking about. Every shape covered on this channel, the U, the L, the single slope, solves one or two problems well. The H-shape solves 5. And it does it in a way that no other residential floor plan in this space even attempts. 2 courtyards, 3 zones, 2 wings that function like completely separate homes, 1 central connecting spine that ties it all together into something genuinely different from anything else being built in the Barndominium world right now. Today we are going to walk through why architects and engineers who understand this design believe the H-shaped Barndominium is not just a great floor plan. It is the floor plan that best matches the way families actually live in 2026. The privacy they need, the connection they want, the flexibility they cannot get anywhere else. By the time this video ends, you will either be sketching your own H-shaped floor plan, or you will know exactly why it is not the right fit for you. Both of those outcomes are worth the next few minutes. What is the H-shaped Barndominium? Before getting into the reasons, it helps to make sure we are all looking at the same thing. The H-shaped Barndominium is exactly what it sounds like. Take a U-shape, mirror it, and connect the 2 open ends with a central crossbar section. 2 wings running parallel to each other, joined in the middle by a connecting spine. From above it reads as a perfect H. From the ground it reads as 2 long modern buildings facing each other across an open courtyard. That central connecting section, the crossbar of the OH, is typically where the shared heart of the home lives. The kitchen, the dining room, the great room, the spaces where the whole family gathers. The 2 wings on either side are where each generation, each family unit, or each zone of life plays out privately. The result is 2 courtyards, one on the front face of the H, one on the rear, each with its own character, its own orientation, and its own function. This is not a new idea. The H-shaped plan has roots in medieval architecture going back over 500 years. It was used specifically because it solved the oldest challenge in large family residential design. How do you get natural light into every single living space while keeping the public and private zones of a home genuinely separated? The Barndominium world is just catching up to something architects have known for centuries. Reason 1. Every room gets natural light. This one is structural, not aesthetic. In a standard rectangular Barndominium, the rooms along the exterior walls get great light. The rooms in the middle do not. In a large family home of 3,500 to 5,000 square feet, that dark middle zone is significant. You end up with a hallway, a media room, a guest bedroom that never gets a real window because there is no exterior wall to put one in. The H-shape eliminates that problem entirely because the building wraps around 2 courtyards. Every room in the building faces either a courtyard, the exterior landscape, or both. The connecting section has courtyard-facing glass on both sides simultaneously. You can stand in the kitchen and look out over the front courtyard in one direction and the rear courtyard in the other. In practical terms for a family, no dark bedrooms, no windowless offices, no interior spaces that feel cut off from the natural world. For a metal building specifically, where the thermal envelope already needs to work hard, having natural light reach every zone also reduces the artificial lighting load meaningfully. That is not an aesthetic bonus. That is a utility bill line item. Reason 2. 3 natural zones with 0 extra walls. This is what makes the H-shape fundamentally different from every other Barndominium configuration. Most large family Barndominiums try to create zones through interior walls and hallways. The H-shape creates 3 completely distinct zones through pure geometry without a single interior partition that is not structurally necessary. Zone 1, the left wing. Zone 2, the right wing. Zone 3, the central connecting section. Each zone has its own courtyard access, its own entrance capability, its own visual separation from the others. For a multi-generational family, which according to the NAR 2026 Generational Trends report represented 14% of all home purchases between July 2024 and June 2025. With caring for aging parents cited as the #1 reason, this 3-zone geometry is exactly what the living arrangement requires. One wing for the older generation, one wing for the younger family, the central section as the shared kitchen and gathering space that both wings flow into. Everyone eats together, everyone sleeps separately. The geometry does the social work, so no one has to negotiate it. Reason 3. The 2 courtyards solve different problems. This is the one that changes how you think about privacy in a home entirely. A U-shaped barndominium has 1 courtyard. It is wonderful, but it has to be everything. The outdoor living room, the kids' play area, the pool zone, the entry experience, all of it at once. 1 courtyard carrying every outdoor function creates design compromises. The H-shape has 2 courtyards facing opposite directions. They receive different light at different times of day. They are accessed from different parts of the house. They serve genuinely different purposes. The front courtyard, framed by the 2 wing ends and visible from the road, becomes the entry courtyard, semi-private. The landscape face the building presents to the world. Visitors experience it. It frames the entry from the central connecting section. But it is not where the family lives. The rear courtyard, tucked between the 2 wings on the back face, is where the family actually lives outdoors, completely private. No road visibility, no neighbor sight lines, pool, fire pit, outdoor kitchen, kids' play area, all of it enclosed on 3 sides by the building itself. From the rear courtyard, the open rural landscape stretches out beyond. Privacy and openness at the same time. No other barndominium floor plan achieves both simultaneously. Reason 4. Passive performance stacks in both directions. This is the engineering argument, and it is a strong one. A U-shaped courtyard building can reduce cooling demand by up to 18% in warm climates, based on peer-reviewed research on courtyard geometry and energy performance. That benefit comes from the courtyard acting as a microclimate buffer, shading walls, moderating air temperature, and enabling cross-ventilation. The H-shape doubles this geometry. 2 courtyards means 2 zones of buffered microclimate. The central connecting section has courtyard-facing glass on both sides, which means cross-ventilation paths run completely through the building from front courtyard to rear. In warm climates with a prevailing breeze, opening the front-facing and rear-facing glass of the central section simultaneously creates a through-building ventilation channel that cools the most occupied zone of the entire house passively. The 2 wings oriented parallel to each other also provide mutual shading to the facing courtyard walls during peak summer afternoon hours. The building is essentially shading itself. This is not passive design theory. This is what happens when you orient a building correctly and let the geometry do thermal work that mechanical systems would otherwise pay for every month for the life of the building. Reason 5. The flexibility no other floor plan offers. This is the one that makes the H-shape not just a great floor plan for today, but the right floor plan for the entire arc of a family's life. Think about how housing needs actually change over time. You build when the kids are young. A decade later, they want genuine independence. A decade after that, they move out, then maybe return with their own families. Meanwhile, aging parents need to be closer. Eventually, you and your partner are empty nesters in a house built for 8. The H-shape has an answer for every stage. When the kids are young, the full building is one connected family home. Every room faces a courtyard. You can see the kids in the rear courtyard from the kitchen window. When the kids are teenagers, each wing becomes their zone. The acoustic separation between wings means their music and their chaos stays in their wing. When an aging parent moves in, one wing becomes their complete living unit, their own bedroom, their own bathroom, and their own entrance from the courtyard. They are not in a nursing home. They are not in your hallway. They are 40 feet across the courtyard. And when the house eventually has fewer people in it, the wings can be independently closed off, rented out, or repurposed as studio space or home office. The footprint adapts to the life. The honest trade-offs. The H-shape is the most land-intensive barndominium design available. On a tight lot, it simply may not fit. Site assessment before committing is mandatory. It is also the most structurally complex barndominium configuration. The roof junctions, the drainage management for both courtyards, and the foundation perimeter all add cost over a rectangle. Budget the structural premium honestly, potentially at the higher end of the 8 to 15% premium that applies to a U shape. And the central connecting section needs careful design attention. Too narrow, and it becomes a corridor rather than a living space. Too wide, and you lose the visual connection across both courtyards that makes the design work. The proportions of the H need an experienced designer who has worked with this specific configuration. Do not pull a floor plan off a standard website and call it an H shape. Commission it properly or do not do it at all. The H-shaped barndominium is not a trend. It is not a novelty. It is a floor plan that has been solving the hardest problems in family residential design for 5 centuries. And it maps almost perfectly onto what families are actually looking for today. Privacy and connection, independence and togetherness, a home that works for the family you have now and the family you will be in 20 years. No other barndominium floor plan does all 5 things at once. The U does 3, the L does 2, the H does all 5. Drop a comment right now. Do you think the H shape would work on your lot? And which of the 5 reasons landed hardest for you? The dual courtyard, the 3-zone separation, or the lifetime flexibility? Every comment gets read and build questions get answered personally. If this opened your eyes to a design you had not considered, share it with the family member you would want living 40 feet across a courtyard from you. Subscribe for more content that goes this deep.